Chair of RSK. Today I accompany the Court of Appeal judges on their regular feast or circuit feast to Kisii High Court. For this week we have a civil week for the Court of Appeal matters, and because of their tight schedule they accepted it to come and meet those who have matters before the Court of Appeal. So it's on that basis that we're here, together with the officers in charge, both women and men prison, and we have taken note of the challenges or concerns raised by the convicts who have matters before the Court of Appeal, and the judges have indicated that they will address those matters and even give priority in terms of the dates for hearing, because most of them are aged. And going by the years they were convicted, it's better that the appeals be at the time. So this is a normal function for the Court of Appeal, and we appreciate that they have taken their time to be here. Situkolia lero gutwajana abajaji ba Court of Appeal to Kisumu bawikaransa Kisii High Court ya wiki yengima gotegerere bina bya kawaida bitoko gasibo usibya madai. Lakini saurie mipango babugatera wao bagateba ngambata baje prison baje bale balibogate bina Court of Appeal babategerere bamanye mechando babugate irindika bakwirana bamanya gakibakoro simerubiri yabo nakotegerere bina bya mapema. Abantu abange baito barororo abange myaka yabere mengi baje korora ngambi birero kibabugate na barure birero byabo baragusemba ko ngotegerere bina bya asinja yuwa. Ikina kieke na gia torenta na ndu twagokire ndu twabasabire nga kiende banyoreri baga banyare guche rindu banya konya.